Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Chat English Podcast. I am Ashley.
And I am Jack. Hello, everyone.
This podcast is for beginners. We speak slowly. We use easy words.
If you do not understand, that is okay. Just listen again. It is normal.
Okay, Jack, today we talk about something easy and nice. Our favorite season.
I love this topic. What is a season? Just to explain for everyone.
A season is a part of the year, like summer, winter, spring, autumn.
Yes, 4 seasons. Each one is different.
What is your favorite season, Jack?
My favorite is summer. I love summer so much.
Why do you love summer?
Because it is warm, and I love warm weather. Not too hot, just nice and warm.
I like warm weather too. It makes me happy.
Yes, in summer, I can wear simple clothes, just a t-shirt, no jacket.
That is true. No heavy clothes in summer.
And I can go outside every day. Outside means not in a building, in the open air.
I love being outside too. In summer, I sit in the garden every evening.
That sounds really nice. What do you do in the garden?
I read a book, or I just sit and look at the sky.
Simple things, but very nice.
Yes, simple things are often the best things.
What is your favorite season, Ashley?
My favorite is winter, actually. I know that is different from you.
Winter? Really? Why winter?
Because winter is cozy. And cozy means soft and comfortable. You feel safe and good.
Oh, yes. Cozy. Like a warm blanket on the sofa.
Exactly. In winter, I stay inside. I have tea. I have a blanket. It feels so cozy. I understand that.
Cozy winter evenings are really nice too.
Yes, and I love the snow. Snow is so beautiful when it falls.
Snow is beautiful, but it is also very cold, and I do not like cold weather.
Yes, you need warm clothes in winter. A big jacket, gloves, a hat.
Too many clothes for me. I prefer simple summer clothes.
Okay, quick break. If you like this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English Podcast.
It helps other people find us. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's continue. What do you do in summer, Jack? Tell me more.
In summer, I go to the beach with my friends. We swim in the sea. It is so much fun.
That sounds amazing. I like the beach too, but only sometimes.
Why only sometimes?
Because the sun is very strong sometimes, and it is too hot for me.
Yes, sometimes summer is too hot. That is true.
I prefer spring, actually. After winter, before summer.
Oh, spring is nice too. The flowers come back. Everything is green again.
Yes, and the weather starts to change from cold to warm slowly.
Change means to become different, right?
Yes, exactly. The weather changes, the trees change, everything changes in spring.
I like that. Watching everything change after winter.
Me too. It feels hopeful, like something new is starting.
What about autumn? Do you like autumn?
Autumn is okay. I like the colors. The leaves turn orange and red. It is very pretty.
Yes, autumn has beautiful colors, but it gets cold quickly.
True. Autumn is the season before winter, so it gets colder and colder.
I think every season has something nice, even if we have a favorite.
Yes, that is a good point. Summer has the beach, winter has cozy evenings, spring has flowers, autumn has beautiful colors.
Every season is different, but every season is nice in its own way.
I agree completely. Okay, let's do our recap, the words from today.
Number 1, season. A part of the year, like summer or winter.
Number 2, warm. Not cold. A nice temperature.
Number 3,
Cozy. Soft and comfortable. You feel safe and good. Number 4, outside. Not in a building. In the open air.
And number 5, change. To become different.
5 easy words today, all about seasons and weather.
write in the comments, what is your favorite season? Tell us in English. Just one sentence.
We read every comment. We love reading your answers.
If you liked this episode, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye. See you soon.